red seafood boil, you know.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are doing a seafood boil. We have the snow crab legs here. We have the lobster claw, the lobster, and we have the potatoes, corn, and onions.
Besides seasoning, so you have complete seasoning. Good old Maggi. I want to put like an easy spice. Meat. I mean, some of them are seasoning when you buy. I'll put like a good old pimento seed.
That is seafood one, you know. This is the seafood one.
I will put like a bit of mixed seafood seasoning in there.
Thank you.
Mixed seasoning. Lemon pepper. Paprika.
Any onion powder?
Why you have onion cut up already? Onion powder. Why you have so much powder? This is not good, man. Like that.
Oh, you know good. You have to put it in there.
You have onion already. You want onion. Careful to take it off the front. Put little Maggi fish. Paprika. That boy is sitting there. You need to put this on them. Go add some veggies like some corn. And then go and bubble. With the flavor. So onion. We have a purple one. And we have a normal white or yellow onion. And then we have some red potato. I put it in a crab. Beside lobster, what then say claw. But I know lobster don't have no claw. Let me look somebody the trick. And we have 2 lobster tails. And then we have some shrimp. May I add my secret ingredient?
What are your secret ingredients?
If I secret, I'm going to tell you.
So we can see it.
You don't see it, you don't know.
I want to soup them.
Anybody who come from Jamaica, we know. Secret. Nice little secret flavor. Alright. 5 minutes. Make your flavor soak in a little bit. Thing.
So the next step are the butter sauce. So that's what we're about to do. We have the butter. Yes, Giovanni. You just love Maggie.
Maggie just a flavor pack. You don't put that pepper, don't you?
Redz, me not eat no pepper food, you know. So this are like what, one Jamaican seafood boil because I pay a Jamaican seasoning I use.
Stir pepper.
Stir up your pot.
Yeah, top chef.
So how it tastes?
Where it is?
So make you can't tell me it. What? Me not eat nothing pepper, you know. So if I pepper, me not eat it.
I'm not pepper.
So what make you do your face so?
Just season right. So careful where I do that. Careful where I do that.
Your mouth just a go. Cause you could have just wait and eat with everybody else.
Look good, don't it? Finished product. Red seafood boil, you know?
Redz Jamaican seafood boil.
I'm going out now. This is shrimp. I'm gonna feed it too, man. Hot. Potato. Everything after.
I feel like say because of you cook you go and say no.
No, make your taste.
Yeah. Yeah, go on. For your first timer, ain't do good. For your first timer. What?
Go on up to the moment you sit there, so.
You know what?
The shrimp is immaculate. Yeah, sure.
You want more shrimp? We need something to put the things them in.
Mad.
I can give you something like something bag or so. Huh?
I said this is really it. Not gonna change.
That's what you're wearing?
They said it's a pajama party. Like that's what they saying. I don't know. No one's wearing jeans or nothing, so not gonna be uncomfortable over there.
Where are you going, Javon?
I don't know.
You want the corn on the corn?
No, you cannot have the corn.
I eat selective.
Go get another corn out the pot.
No.
Oh my God, eat that. Take it. Yes, Javon. So you are going to a pajama party.
That's what they saying.
And who you going with?
Jay and 3 other girls.
Which 3 girls? Do I know these 3 girls?
I don't know.
You don't know them?
They Jaden friends.
How long is the party?
11 or 2.
I'm not even laughing because I don't, this just sounds, because you're going to be alcohol at this party. Because you know you can't drink. Because you're 18. And in America, you got to be 21. So if you go to a party with these people and y'all have alcohol and God forbid a police shows up, you underage. So there can't be no alcohol. No smoking. The only thing y'all can smoke is cigarette because y'all 18 and you should not smoke cigarette. It will kill you. You will die. Quickly. What time are you leaving for your party?
9.
Giovanni, it's 9 o'clock.
It's a couple minutes.
This tastes so good.
Yeah. I like to get on and leave me there.
Try to like which bread?
You want out the door?
So your belly not full?
This I like soup. This appetizer. We got a restaurant where they serve crab for appetizer.
Juicy crab serve if you eat.
Well, appetizer, I just want to buy.
You go jerk. And what time right now?
9 o'clock.
Okay. Okay. So you go jerk.
You never hear me.
Yeah, yes, sir. My belly full.
Good for you.
I can save the jerk for tomorrow.
Nope.
Jerk chicken, how you go eat?
Jerk chicken and loin, jerk chicken and bread. Jerk chicken and stuff.
You can about festival.
Not too much work.
Oh, that's not too much work.
I need festival, fry festival. That's what I do in my grill.
You just start drilling the next 2 hours. Maybe open up like a space in that 2 hours.
So I do it right now.
Right.
I'm going to go get one with the bag of flour.
Everywhere go like, you know.
I'm going to get the bag of flour.
Redz, I can't serious.
I'm going to tell you, this is not from better. I just eat 3 potatoes. No about 3 potatoes. About 16 potatoes, 3 cans.
You eat 16 potato?
Yeah.
You don't put 16 potato in
I
a
eat
pot?
3/4 amount of shrimp I put in my pot. I'm in a crab. When I eat my lobster, I make it go and soak up seasoning.
I don't know if I can reach 3 lobster that's why. I don't know you go jerk.
Yeah, jerk. I'm going to put off my lobster.
You go put the lobster on the... You see?
With the whole of them marinade. It just make it get a little crust. Yeah.
I think I love experiment too much.
Yeah, that's why my food always nice. I experiment, I try it. I first make seafood boil.
I first time make it do good. Anybody can look for seafood boil.
Yeah, I'm not going to taste it.
Make what I do it.
Not even juicy crab can give them flavor.
Who's this up?
Me.
Where's the good guys? It is good.
Yeah.
Everything tastes good. Everything tastes good. But I don't know if I'm up on the train of them about jerk chicken tonight. You mad? You crazy?